receive my hair. Oh my god, I cannot even begin to describe how happy I am. Like seriously, look at this. This is the closure, I think. Yeah. So everything is just perfect. This is the bone straight. I think 22 inches. Oh my god, look at the luster of this hair. Oh my goodness. Oof, I'm so happy. I just can't believe it. Like I'm playing with the hair like for the past 30 minutes now. Like I just can't believe this. Look at this. Look at the hair. I think this is a 22 inches bone straight, natural tips. Amazing. Thank you, Almar. Really like good communication.